show you the progress happening over at the Guardians of the Galaxy mission Breakout. Check that tower out. It looks like more and more is being exposed. Looks like we got some significant changes yet again. May is fast approaching. And you can see so many awesome details coming through. So this is actually the view right in front of the Hyperion Theater. If you look, this is exactly where we're standing, just so you can get an idea of the vantage point. And Captain America's coming out. Looks like Marvel is taking over. Look at him walking amongst the civilians. Hey, Captain! So here's the view as we get a little bit closer. We're gonna walk a little bit closer. So this is the view directly in front of the attraction. As you can see, there's the Fast Pass queue area where it used to be. Still looks like Hollywood Tower of Terror. At least I think it does. Funny, I never noticed that until... Alright, so we have found Mr. Mickey Crane. It's right over there. And you can see all the details. Still pretty odd with the trolley going by. Right by the Guardians Galaxy. Definitely something different. Still have a giant crane here. Okay, let's go get a view from Bugs Land. Okay, so what little I moved on my way over to Bugs Land, I've already noticed you can see so many different details just from that little shift in angle from the tower. I think it's actually really shaping up to look super awesome. You can see more of the detail in there if you look carefully from where the elevator will look out. I must comment again, I absolutely love the color scheme. I think it looks so great against the blue sky. I know I say it a lot, but it's awesome. And you got some guys currently in there working. I don't know if you can see them behind the scrim right there. You can actually hear over to the right, you can hear them kind of working back there too. Can't see them right there, but you can hear them. All right, let's go over to Bugs Land. Okay, so we're over here in Bugs Land, and I figured I might get this on camera now because I've heard some rumors, again, just rumors, that Bugs Land might be turned into a little bit of Marvel Land. I've heard that if this does happen, there's some space behind the tower or Mission Breakout that would inevitably turn into Marvel Land. So let's take a look while we can, because if that's true, goodbye Bugs Land. All right, we're gonna get a really good view of the tower from here. Here's just right by the entrance of Bugs Land. So proximity. And we're gonna head over to our spot that we find a really good view from, is over near the exit of Heimlich's Shoe Train. So let's head over there. Just a really good view, in my opinion. I think a lot of people just want to see the front, but I actually like seeing the side. I feel like I see so many different details. Okay, well that about wraps up our little sneak peek at the Guardians of the Galaxy mission Breakout. Make sure if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can follow along for more Disneyland fun from the Disney Bears. Thank you guys so much for watching.